Unique design luxury crystal chandelier. This chandelier is your best value pick. 100% handmade. The small crystal beads are strung into crystal strings, and the individual design of the big raindrop crystal ball. Each crystal bead has been worn by our manufacturer into finished strings. Great price with the perfect look. Simple to install once you get it to assemble. You just need to open the manual, and then it can be completed by reading the manual carefully with one person. You just need to hang the strings. First-class quality. Super beautiful, but it looks great and install easily. Each crystal ball is carefully polished. First-class quality. Make your home space more perfect. It is so elegant and unique. All those who see the beautiful chandelier will be fascinated by its shining. A nice looking of this gorgeous crystal chandelier. A good illumination for your dining room and living room. Why not buy it now?